Welcome back, my dear lovely students. I hope you have enjoyed your day. Today we have brought something really interesting and fun-filled for you. So let us begin. There are different ways in which you can wish your loved ones happy birthday and happy marriage anniversary. So let us see what all ways can you wish them in with each new different style. So let us begin. The very first way in which you can wish your loved ones happy birthday is Happy birthday. May this year bring you endless happiness and unforgettable moments. The next one, cheers to another year of amazing adventures and wonderful memories. Happy birthday. On your special day, may all your dreams come true. Have a fantastic birthday. I hope you do not use happy birthday to each and every person again and again. Always try to incorporate these ideas into your birthday wishes. Definitely, they are going to put a huge impact. Sending you warm birthday wishes and hoping your day is as special as you are. This is an informal way of wishing someone. Happy birthday! Wishing you health, wealth, and endless blessings today and always. May your birthday be filled with all the love, laughter, and joy your heart can hold. Enjoy your day. So, the next way is another year older, another year wiser. Wishing you a fabulous birthday celebration. Happy birthday to an incredible person. May your day be as light and beautiful as you are. Wishing you a birthday filled with cake, love, and endless smiles. Have the best day ever. Now we are going to move on to anniversary wishes. If you find someone having their anniversary on particular day, you can wish them either of using these options. So let's see what all you can do. Happy anniversary! May your love continue to grow stronger with each passing year. Wishing you both another year of love and laughter together. Happy anniversary! I hope you're enjoying. This is really fun-filled video. Cheers to another beautiful year of togetherness. Happy anniversary to a wonderful couple. Happy anniversary! May the love you share today continue to flourish for years to come. So this is again a very fantastic way of wishing someone happy anniversary. Here's to many more years of love, laughter and wonderful memories. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to the perfect pair. May your love story continue to inspire many more couples. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness and love. Happy anniversary, dear. Happy anniversary to two beautiful souls. May your journey together be filled with endless love and joy. On your anniversary, may your bond of love continue to grow stronger and brighter. Cheers to being forever together. Wishing you both a day filled with beautiful memories and a future filled with endless love. Happy anniversary. Thank you very much for viewing. I hope you have really liked and enjoyed today's content. In case if you need something more of this kind, please let me know. Thank you everyone. Please do enjoy.